Hi artists! Today we are going to be creating a winter drawing. Here's what our drawing is going to look like today. We are going to be drawing a penguin made of different types of shapes and with a snowy background. Here's what you're going to need to complete this winter drawing with me. You are going to need a pencil. You are going to need something to draw on. And you are also going to need some crayons. Once you have all of these art tools, then we can get started. All right, so starting out with our penguin's body, we are going to create a arch, sort of like a rainbow. Let's start on the one side of our page and create a big curvy line all the way up and then back down. Then we're going to create a straight line connecting one side to the other. Next, we're going to move on to the penguin's scarf. Start on one edge of your penguin's body and draw a slightly curved line from one side to the other. We are going to create the same type of line here on the top. Now we have part of the penguin's scarf. Next, we are going to create a circle for the knot of the scarf. Create a medium-sized circle just like that. Now we're going to create the two ends of the scarf. Starting from the circle, we're going to create a straight line down and then across, and then another straight line down to connect. We're going to do the same thing here, straight lines coming out of the circle, and then a straight line at the bottom to connect them. Now we're going to create the fringe of the scarf, which means we are going to create 5 little threads at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we are going to create a pattern, which will be stripes on our scarf. Let's go ahead and draw straight lines down for our striped pattern on our scarf. We are going to do the same thing on these ends of the scarf as well. Stripes going across. Next, we are going to create some details on our penguin. Let's create a V shape here at the top. Now we're going to take our pencil and create a line right along the edge of the penguin's body on both sides, using that pencil to draw that line right along the edge of our penguin's body. Now we get to move on to the penguin's beak, which will be a rhombus. A rhombus looks like this. 4 sides that are all equal. Now that we have our rhombus, we are going to create the penguin's smile. Take your pencil and create a big smile like this. Now let's move on to its eyes. Our eyes will be 2 oval shapes right above the rhombus. Just like that. We are going to fill these in later when we color. Now we're going to add our penguin's arms, which will be some round curved shapes on the side of its body, like this, and we'll repeat the same routine on the other side. So just one rounded curved line, just like that. Now we are going to create the penguin's feet. They are going to be 3 U shapes here at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And same thing here. 1, 2, 3. Now that we're finished with the penguin's body, we get to create the background. We are going to draw a puddle underneath the penguin's body. And that will be a puddle of water that the penguin is standing in. Let's start by coming out from the side of the penguin's body, creating these big, curvy, and round lines all around the penguin. And we're going to continue until we get to the other side of our penguin's body. just like that. Now let's add some snow in the background. We are going to create some curvy lines in the background, just like this. Curvy lines right behind our penguin. And last, we are going to add some snowflakes. Our snowflakes will be a straight line, another straight line to create the letter X, and then one straight line across in the middle. And that is how we create a snowflake. Let's do the same routine, creating a letter X, straight line across, just like that, and repeat the same routine a few more times. You can create as many snowflakes as you want in the background. I'm going to stop at 6 snowflakes here. Now we're ready to color. First, I am going to be using an orange crayon for the penguin's beak. I'm going to be using a red crayon for the penguin's scarf. I'll also be using a blue-green crayon for the puddle of water and a blue crayon for the sky in the background, and last, a black crayon for the penguin's body. Let's get ready to color. Awesome job creating our winter drawing today. Make sure to upload a picture of your artwork here on Seesaw so that Miss Rodriguez and I can check yours out. I hope you all have a wonderful winter break, and we will see you all very, very soon. Bye!